Nothing kills the vibe of a backyard barbecue faster than a giant patio umbrella turning into a kite the moment a light breeze kicks up. You spend a lot of money on those massive cantilever setups, the ones that hang over your seating area like a giant canopy. But they are notoriously top heavy. That is where a serious foundation comes in. I've been looking at the heavy duty base system from Purple Leaf lately. It is a beast of a setup that essentially acts as an anchor for your outdoor space. If you just pulled one of these out of the box, the first thing you need is clear floor space. Clear a big spot on your deck or patio because once this thing is filled, it stays put. You start by placing the metal cross frame. This is the skeleton of the whole operation. You have to make sure your ground is perfectly level. If you skip that step, the whole umbrella will look crooked and might even stress the hardware over time. Once that frame is down, you take these heavy-duty plastic sections and slide them into place. They lock together around the support like a puzzle. Now, here's the part that tests your patience. You have to fill these sections with weight. You can use just water if you want to keep things simple, but most people who live in windy areas swear by a mix of sand and water. It creates this dense, heavy sludge that adds incredible stability. The problem is that the openings to pour the sand in are surprisingly small. You might want to grab a funnel and a cold drink because you are going to be there for a while. It can be tedious work. Once you finally get all that weight inside and screw the caps on tight, the base becomes an absolute tank. It is now moving. You slide the umbrella pole into the mount, crank down the bolts, and you are basically set. It usually takes about an hour if you are working solo. Looking at the build quality, the plastic feels thick and rugged. It is designed to sit out in the sun and rain without turning brittle or cracking after one season. The real selling point here is the peace of mind. You can sit under that huge shade canopy without constantly glancing at the sky to see if your umbrella is about to lift off the ground. The modular design is actually pretty smart because the individual pieces are easy to handle before they are filled. However, you do need to keep an eye on the footprint. This thing is massive. If you have a tiny balcony, this base might eat up all your foot room. There is also a bit of a learning curve with making sure you have the right version for your specific umbrella model, as some of the rotating systems need specific hardware adjustments. But if you already own an offset umbrella, this is pretty much the gold standard for keeping it grounded. It is a heavy, permanent solution for a high-end setup. Just be ready for that workout during the filling process. The weight is what gives you that security. You want to feel like your patio is a sanctuary, not a hazard zone. This base delivers that heavy-duty feel. It handles the gusts that would send cheaper bases sliding across the deck. Even the caps are designed to be watertight to prevent messy leaks. If you take the time to set it up right, it will likely outlast the fabric on the umbrella itself. It is a solid investment for anyone tired of chasing their shade across the yard every time the weather turns. When you click that umbrella open and it does not budge, you know you did the job right. It is sturdy, it is reliable, and it makes your outdoor space feel complete.